Hey, my name is Ryan Hickey. I'm the resident sound designer and audio technician at Signature Theater.
And I'm Kendrick Maxey, the lead sound technician.
And I'm Connor Sherrill, and I'm the deck sound engineer.
We want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like to mix a live performance of a signature musical.
That's right, Ryan. And what better than our recent production of a chorus line featuring Kendrick Magic Hands Maxey?
Magic.
So let's dive right in, shall we? This is the console we use to mix every production in the Max Theater.
When I press go, the console moves into a new scene.
What's a new scene, Ryan?
Each scene has a specific setting for character DCA assignments, band mix, effects, and more.
And these are the DCA assignments on the console for this scene.
DCA stands for Digitally Controlled Amplifier.
Ooh, them's big words.
The goal is to only have the mics up for the people speaking or singing.
And we just entered a new scene.
Hang on to your hats, boys and girls. Things are about to get crazy.
Magic Hands Maxey.
When Kendrick's hands are busy, he uses a foot switch to change scenes.
I could be changing scenes right now, but you would never know.
Now Magic Feet Maxey pushes the band fader for a dance break.
The band is more often than not controlled by one DCA fader.
During tech and previews, we will set a specific band mix for each scene.
This makes mixing 32 wireless channels and a 12-piece orchestra possible on a nightly basis.
Look at Kendrick bring up those vocals.
Whew. Using all the fingers on those magic hands.
Imagine me, this kindergarten teacher, and I thought, what are you gonna be when you get out of
I follow along with the mix script every night.
The script has notes for when to take scene changes, band to reverb levels, sound effects, and more.
Now Magic Hands Maxey is going to show you how he brings up different group vocals at different times.
Here there are two groups of men, two groups of women, as well as a band and a reverb fader.
Just look at him go.
Thank you for watching this behind-the-scenes look at a chorus line.
Hopefully this gave a little insight into all of the interesting magical things we're doing backstage at Signature Theater.
Stay safe and thanks for keeping Signature strong.